Hello, fellow Reds developers. I'm Saikul, a CTO of Angrab.com. Today, I'm excited to share an opportunity to collaborate on a project to learn about Rails engine. With Firebase announcing the shutdown of their dynamic links product, it requires us to find another product to shorten our long URL. There are many products in the market, but we can't guarantee that it has the same API interface as Firebase, which makes a backlog in our end to update our backend app. To prevent that issue, let's create a Firebase dynamic links alternative. Our goal is to enhance our Ruby and Rails skills while providing a valuable tool for the community. This project involves building a replica compatible with Firebase's API interface. It will have two deployment options, one as a standalone app and two as an embeddable app within existing Rails applications. We will focus initially on the URL shortening feature. For the other features, we can do some research later. If you don't know what a Firebase dynamic link is, its main feature is to shorten our links. By default, the generated link uses Firebase's custom domain, but we can also add our custom domain. Another outstanding feature of this product is it has a deep link capability. When there is a user who clicks the shortened link, it will check whether the user has installed the app or not. It will open the deep link if it is found that the user has installed the app. Otherwise, it will ask our users to download it from the App Store and open the deep link once installed. To make our Firebase replica easy to use, I want to give two options to be installed. One as a standalone app, two as an embeddable app. For the first option, the standalone app, we can deploy it to a different domain. For example, our main app domain is mainapp.com and the Firebase replica domain is bit2.ly. With this architecture, any high load on bit2.ly, it won't affect our main app. And the repository the, for this option is Rails Dynamic Links. An option is useful when we don't want to deploy a new app, maybe because the traffic is low and we need to save the cost. We can embed the Firebase replica in our main app for this. So our main app will have two domains, first mainapp.com and two bit2.ly. We can configure these domains in our Rails app. And for this option, the repository is dynamic links. To understand more about Firebase Dynamic Links, here is what it looks like when we log into the Firebase Dynamic Links console to create a new short link. There are many fields, but the main field is the first one, the URL field to be shortened. The deep links for Apple and Android app are optional and also for campaign tracking. The deep links for iOS, Android app, and also for campaign tracking are optional. We can ignore it. Firebase has shared about their current database schema. There are around 28 attributes for its shortened link. For this project, let's focus on the shortened link feature only. We can ignore the deep link feature. So we just need to record the short and long URLs in our database and ignore the other columns. In order to make our main app compatible with this Firebase replica, we need to make it have the same API response format. This is the current API response format of Firebase. So there are short link, preview link, and warning attributes. Firebase uses a warning attribute to inform us that we haven't filled out the deep link for Android and iOS app. It's okay to make it empty for our project. I have added a to-do list in the README file to note what to implement for the next. If any of you want to try to implement it, feel free to create a new GitHub issue. For those who are newer to Rails or open source collaboration, I'm here to support you. This project is about growing together as a community and embracing diverse ideas and processes. Thank you for considering being part of this project. Check out our GitHub repositories, Rails dynamic links, and dynamic links. Feel free to raise issues or suggestions.